On this channel, we have built some fairly complex make.com scenarios and some kind of more intermediate make.com scenarios. But I really like this question because sometimes all you need is something really simplified, right? The elegance of simplicity, as it were. So in today's video, we're going to do just that. We're only going to use two modules in our make.com scenario, Dropbox and Instagram. So if you're ready to look at something that's really simplified in a very quick tutorial, then grab your coffee or your drink of choice and meet me at the computer. Okay, so here we are in make.com. This is just kind of the main screen, but up in the upper right-hand corner, we're going to click the Create New Scenario. So you just click there to start this off. Now here in the upper left-hand corner, I'm just going to rename this to Dropbox to IG, because that's fundamentally what we're going to do. And then this big plus sign in the center, we'll click that, and we're going to click this Dropbox module. Now you can search at the bottom if you wanted to, but we're just going to click that. And we're going to do a watch files. Okay, so this is my Dropbox folder, and I've got this IG test. We were looking at this last week, and I'm going to take this video, move it to post once. So that's the folder we're going to watch. And then when it's posted, we'll move it over to the posted folder. So let's take a look at this video, what we'll be posting.
Food is love. Food is life. Seriously, is there anything better than a full bowl of kibble? Oh wait, there is. Mom's food. But it'll settle for mine. Food. You complete me.
So this was one that I actually didn't end up posting. I posted one similar to it on Podorable Finds, but you saw some mistakes in there, I'm sure. Anyway, so what we're going to do, so that folder path, of course, I've got it in my Podorable, and it's this one test IG draft, and the folder we're going to look into is the to post. So that's the folder we're looking into. Watch for subfolders. No, there are none anyway. And then the limit, we're going to just say 1. So we're going to save that. And then from now on, we'll leave that. So from now on. Now we're going to add another one because to get it into Instagram, we need to have a share link. So there we go. It's actually right there at the top, Dropbox. And then we're going to update a share link. That's the one that we want. The file path is just going to come from this very first module, the file ID. And then we're going to have the links access level as max access. You don't need any of the rest of what's in here. That's it. If you wanted to add your Dropbox, by the way, you just click add a connection. You don't need to worry about the client ID or client secret. You can just add that and it should automatically authenticate you with your Dropbox on your computer. Okay. We're going to click save. Now that we've got the share link, we can post this to Instagram. So we're going to click an add and we'll say Instagram for business. You need to have an Instagram for business account in order to do a reel post. So you can create a photo post, whatever is in there, but we have a video, so it's going to be create a reel post. So it's going to be to my Podorable Finds, whichever you have connected. So the video URL is going to come from this, create the update share link, and we're going to need the download URL. So if you see here it says video URL, we're looking for the download URL here. So URL, not the file ID. Okay. Caption. Now previously I would have had like Google Sheets that had like captions and everything else. You can see it in a previous video, so you could link all of that here, but we're not going to worry about that. And then as far as share to feed, let's take a look at my Podorable Finds Instagram account. So you can see this. I'm going to click yes, and I'll show you what this means once it opens. Here we go. So this is the main profile page right here with all the posts. But if you click Reels, this is where all the little mini videos are, right? All of your Reels or posts. So you can see that these videos are also in the Reels. So that's basically all that says. So I wanted to go to the main page, but it will show up in both places, and we'll take a look at that later. So once it's posted, we're going to go into Dropbox again, but we want to move this. We need to move this file folder. I want to move it to the posted because I don't want it to be, just to keep it organized, right? Why not? So the file folder path, we're going to go back to the very first Dropbox module again. And because we need to have up, like it says folder path, we're not going to get the file ID. What we're going to look for is this path lower. So path and path, URL and URL. You see that pattern there. So we're going to move it to the posted folder. So, we have to kind of drill down again. So it's in the Podorable folder in this one test IG draft. And then we're going to say posted because we have to post and post it. So there it is. See, we've got the to post, and then we want to move it to post it once it goes on to that. You can change the name if you want. We're not going to bother. And there's loads of other things you can do here. We can auto rename. We can allow ownership transfer if you needed to do that, if you were sharing this with somebody. And then we're just going to click a quick save. So that's it. So it's going to go from Dropbox to Instagram, and we're going to change folders. So what we need to do is move this in here because it's going to be searching for the to post. Give us a second. There it goes. Because that's the folder that we're watching, right? I'm going to click a quick save, and then we can run this scenario. There it goes. So it's got that. It's creating the share link. Now, posting to Instagram does take a couple of minutes, as we've seen in previous videos. But if we watch here, we'll be able to see it go from here, from to post to posted once it's already up in Instagram. But we're just going to let this bake for a minute. And I've got my cup of tea. So as you know, I don't drink coffee. My drink of choice is tea. I think I may have mentioned that in the past. If you're not new here, there you go. So the Instagram for Business is still kind of baking. Oh, it just went through. Let's go over to our fold. Oh, and there you see it just kind of popped over all on its own. It's kind of cool to watch. But if we come into the Instagram, let's click our refresh. There it is in the post. But if we go over to Reels, we can see it's there as well. Right, so it's going to show up in both places if you click that yes button.
Food is life. Seriously, is there anything better than a full bowl of kibble? Oh wait, there is. Mom's food. But it'll settle for mine. Food. You complete me. Food is love. Food is life. Right.
So there you go, and you can see that it was posted 27 seconds ago. And I'm going to have this available for you in the description below. That's all she wrote, folks. So there you have it, a really simple Dropbox to Instagram make.com scenario. Now, of course, with this particular scenario, you can build off of that, which is really the great thing about make.com. As always, I will have this scenario linked in the description below, so feel free to download that and use it for yourself. And hey, leave a comment below if you have another scenario idea. Let's build something cool together. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, it would help my channel a whole lot if you would hit that subscribe button and, of course, the like. And don't forget the little bell icon so you don't miss another video. And until next time, happy automating!